This video demonstrates how a Scramble lesson is played and built in Lessons Online. Here, I'll start off with the My Lessons dashboard in Lessons Online. In this example, the lessons displayed are ones that I previously imported from the MultiTeach Lessons community. Here, I'll access a previously built Scramble lesson by pressing on the green arrow button located in the center of the thumbnail. The targeted words are in a list to the right side of the screen and hidden in the grid to the left. Words are arranged horizontally, diagonally, vertically, and in reverse order. To select a word in the grid, I tap and hold the first letter of the word and drag my finger across each letter, lifting it up at the last letter. After each word is found in the grid, the corresponding word in the list is crossed off. Words can be presented in lowercase or uppercase by toggling the button below the grid. If I'm stuck, I can navigate to the hamburger menu, located at the top left corner of the screen, and select Show Answers, and then toggle to select Hide Answers. If I need more assistance, I can access the online help or the Scramble lesson, which provides detailed information about playing and building the lesson. To build a Scramble lesson from scratch, I'll navigate to the My Lessons dashboard. I'll select the green Create Lesson button located in the upper middle section of the screen. This will guide me to the lesson selection screen. At the top of the screen is a button where you can choose Practice if you want to create a lesson that your students can use for training, or Assessment if you want to create a lesson that your students can be graded on. Scramble is a lesson type that does not support grading, so I access it from the Practice view. I then select the Scramble lesson icon, which opens up the Lessons Edit screen. On the left side of the screen, Content and Customize Content screens can be toggled. The right side of the screen provides an interactive preview screen. Below the preview screen are other settings that I can use to customize the lesson. This setup is provided across all lesson types in Lessons Online and in MultiTeach. At the top left is a text entry bar where I will enter the title of the lesson. Next, I'll tap on the green Create Content button once for each word that I'd like to use in the Scramble lesson. As I type in each word, it will appear in a word list at the right of the grid in the preview screen. I can advance to the next content bar by pressing Enter. In the preview screen, I can toggle the letter case and then customize the lesson using the settings below. Here, I can change the font type. Here, I select a theme for a background. I can also select an optional timer. I can switch the theme background with an image by selecting the green background button. Here, I select Browse from the drop-down menu to import an image stored on my hard drive. I can also select an online image search or search for an image stored in Google Drive. Here, I test out the lesson in the preview screen and then in play mode. All is good, so I'll upload the lesson to the MultiTeach Lessons community. I'll select Edit from the hamburger menu. While in the Edit screen, I'll select Send to Community to upload the lesson. A dialog box appears where I'll fill out information about the lesson. It is important to describe the lesson clearly for the teachers who will access the lesson in the future. Identify your country and the lesson type, and then press the green button to upload to the MultiTeach Lessons community. This has been a video about playing and building a Scramble lesson in Lessons Online.